Hey guys, what's going down? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys a new way to get rich on your favorite game, Hungry Dragons. So let me just open it up. So as you can see, I'm broke, but if I press this button, I can actually add unlimited gems, right? So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this Hungry Dragon hack. So as you can see, these are the gems right here. It's really bad, but hopefully I can get it to go up. So I'm going to show you how to download this Hungry Dragon hack into your device. So let's see if it goes up, and we should be good to go. So as you can see, everything is increasing. So I'm going to show you how to download this Hungry Dragon hack onto your phone. So let's get straight into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So now just type in Hungry Dragon and press on it. So before it downloads, it's going to be like a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then the Hungry Dragon hack should be installed. And with this hack, you can actually get unlimited money. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So let's just let it do its thing, and we should be good to go. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So we'll just wait. So now it's at the end, so it's gonna say like missing files or something. So basically you gotta download some of these apps and we should be good to go. So as you can see, we got like Mogcasino, DraftKings. So just do 2 of these, you're gonna be all set. You got the video there. But yeah, it's super cool. So you can see it says install and open. So peace out. That's how to get Hungry Dragon hack for your device. Super wild. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, totally works. So if this video works, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.